Hi, this is Heather, president of the NBDA. Rochelle and I wanted to take some time today to review with you the Dealer Forum. If you have not been to the Dealer Forum, please check it out. The Dealer Forum is a sounding board, a support group, and a safe haven for our retail members. It's an exclusive benefit to retail members of the NBDA, and it can be a critical tool for you to communicate with other retailers. You can ask those questions that keep you up at night, and you can also come through and help fellow retailers by sharing your insight to their questions. It's where retailers talk openly about pressing challenges they're facing, because chances are someone there has also been in that position and can help you. We want to make sure everyone is sure about how to access the forum and how to set up their profile. So Rochelle and I are going to walk you through how to gain access and what to expect once you get there.
Awesome. So the first thing to do is just to go to nbda.com, and that'll take you to our homepage. And then if you go up here and click on member sign in, that'll take you to the area where you can input your account information and get signed into your member profile. So we're just going to put in our email address that we made for this demonstration and get signed in. So you can see this is just going to be our account profile. So then we're going to go to programs. Then the drop down, you're going to click Dealer Forum, and it's going to check our eligibility, see if we're signed into our member account, and then it's going to take us directly to. So at this point, if you do have an issue and it says you're declined, we suggest you just go back to nbda.com and right in that member sign in button that was in the top, we would say, go here, and then there's going to be your profile listed there. If I was signed in, it would say, and then you would just hit sign out, refresh the page, sign in again, and try it again, and that should work. So once you're in the forum, you can see all the topics. If you click on one of these, you can see all of the topics within. What we're going to do right now is just go to settings real quick for your profile. And we're going to point out these preferences here. One of the great things about this forum is that you can use it inside the website, but you can also reply via email, and that'll get put directly in as a topic reply. So to use that functionality, we suggest that you follow all topics and then have it email content to you immediately so that you can see every reply and be able to reply via email instead of having to log in to hear every time. So then the other thing we'll point out is if you go to edit profile and scroll to the bottom, this is where you can input your signature. You can put your name, your shop name, and then you can also put in some contact information if you want people to be able to contact you. If not, just your identifying information will be great there. Otherwise, I think that's it.
So thank you, Rochelle. That's very simple, very easy to get into that forum. Once you're signed into your NBDA member account, just click on that drop down Dealer Forum and it should take you right there. As Rochelle said, go ahead and fill out that profile, include a picture, avatar, and check all replies, all forum posts right into your inbox so you can really just simply from your email reply back. We do have a couple guidelines just to keep the forum really safe and keep the conversation directed. First, we want to ask that you respect antitrust laws. So refrain from those discussions that might include pricing or encouraging boycotts or fostering unfair trade practices. Also, anything in the forum is specifically for NBDA retailers, so we ask you not to forward those posts out to friends. Let's keep it safe, keep it confidential. We like all the conversation to be respectful. We don't screen the messages, but we want to just be very kind. We like to see posts identified, so don't forget to fill out your profile so there's a signature. It just lets us know who's posting, and if people want to contact you, it's a nice way to do that. And then stay on topic. The topic of the forum is the bicycle business. There's plenty of things online about religion or politics or other non-cycling industry topics. So let's keep this really on focus. So that is it, the forum use in general. We hope that you found this very educational and helps you get into the forum. If you have not checked it out, go visit it today. And if you have any trouble accessing the forum or need additional help, reach out to Rochelle or I at info@nbda.com.